Mandaue is your one-stop shop for all of your home needs. Whether you're looking for a good quality mattress, wall decor, kitchenware, living room essentials, or office furniture, they have you covered. Mandaue is a leading home store in the Philippines. Started in 1971 by Mrs. Rosita T.I. as a foam manufacturer in Cebu, Mandaue has rapidly grown over the past 40 years because of its commitment to providing its customers with quality and value-for-money products. Today, Mandaue is one of the country's top 1,000 corporations and has over 25 factories and showrooms nationwide. Its trademark products include its signature Flex Foam and hotel-quality Gala bed mattress. Soon after it started, Mandaue sensed a need in the market for a more complete home store, and it began to expand and diversify its product lines to include pillows, sofas, dining tables, bed frames, and other small home items. It set sights in Manila and the Luzon area. It now has a factory and showroom along Ortigas Avenue X that is fully equipped with a state-of-the-art foaming machine line. A year later, it opened its second showroom in the Luzon area on Quezon Avenue, followed by a third one located in Las Piñas City in 2010. In 2013, Mandaue opened its fourth and fifth branches in Luzon, one in Lipa City, Batangas, and the other one along Shaw Boulevard, which also carries a wide range of furniture products. Why shop at 5 different furniture stores to get everything you need? Perhaps one of the biggest benefits of shopping at Mandaue is that they have almost everything you need to furnish your home. Whether you need a couch, dining set, kitchen shelving, mattresses and pillows, houseware, home decor, window treatments, lighting, outdoor furniture, or even office supplies, they have you covered. Mandaue offers high-quality, long-lasting furniture. While it may be tempting to buy bargain furniture for your home decor, high-quality furniture will retain its good looks and will last longer than bargain furniture. You can even pass down quality with furniture to future generations. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.